In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a second shop in Etsy. If you already have one Etsy shop and you're ready to separate different product lines or test a new niche, opening a second shop is a great way to do that. The key thing to understand right from the start is that Etsy does not allow you to run two shops under a single account. Each shop has to be connected to its own Etsy account, which means you'll need a different email address for your second shop. First, head over to the Etsy website and make sure you're signed out of your original account. This avoids any confusion or the site trying to log you back into your first shop. Once you're on the Etsy homepage and signed out, you're ready to create a brand new account that will become the base for your second shop. At the top of the page, click on Sign In. A window will pop up asking for your existing details, but instead of logging in, look for the Register option. Go ahead and click on Register. This tells Etsy that you want to create a new account, not just access the old one. You'll now see a registration form. Here you can type in a different email address from the one you use on your first shop, along with your first name and a secure password. Take a moment to choose an email you'll actually check, because Etsy will send important notifications there, like order updates, customer messages, and policy information. Also, choose a strong password and keep it somewhere safe, especially if you're managing multiple shops. If you prefer not to type in your details manually, you can use one of the quick sign-up options instead. Etsy usually offers Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple. Clicking one of these lets you create the new account faster, as long as that login isn't already tied to your original Etsy shop. Once you've completed the registration and you're logged into your brand new Etsy account, you're ready to create your second shop. From this fresh account, go through Etsy's normal open a shop process. Choose your shop name, set your country and currency, and start adding your listings, branding, and policies. Everything here is built from scratch, completely separate from your first shop, giving you a clean slate for a new brand or product line while staying within Etsy.